Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: billet clear coat, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, FFD, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum, second row stone go bucket seats, STD, black top package included, leather-wrapped shift knob, black interior accents, silver accent stitching, black headlamp bezels, front fog lamps, delete roof rack, wheels, 17x 6.5 aluminum rear fascia scuff pad, leather-wrapped steering wheel, quick order package 29P included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, FFD, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, black finish IP bezel, bright side roof rails, front fog lamps, power two-way